Nautanki Mahal is a unique theatre. It is probably one of its kind in the world.
Nautanki Mahal was supposed to be amalgamation of India put together. It's supposed to be a palace, supposed to be very royal, supposed to be a place that you forget your real world and come to a fantasy world. What we tried to do in the auditorium is give an Indian feel to the theatre, yet being it opera.
It's got the state-of-the-art lighting systems, a great audio system. It's got complete background on the stage, which are LED screens, which provides a complete virtual experience to the spectator. And you can see a thing happening in front of you in 4D. People are going crazy all over the world with Bollywood. Foreigners and everyone just talks about Bollywood, Bollywood. And we have Bollywood right with us. Here we have so much of music and great storytelling concepts in Bollywood. So the whole idea that came up was we must put up a great Bollywood musical production on stage.
We are creating a new medium of entertainment in this country. Basic idea was to bring entertainment to the masses.
So it's like how we have Phantom of the Opera. Zangura is that for us in India.
How much I can talk about it, it's mesmerizing, it's an experience, it's this, it's aerial, there's fighting, there's musical, there's magic, there's this, there's that. बहुत कम पड़ता है जब तक आप इसे आकर देखते नहीं हैं.
Zangura is a play of full-on entertainment, full-on dhamal.
It's all that people enjoy in a film on stage and more.
This is for the first time that I'll be writing this kind of a script for the theatre, which is being performed on the level of Broadway. So obviously, the producer has given me enough leeway to let my imagination go wild.
It's a classic tale of good over evil. There's a love triangle, there are lots of songs. You've got the whole मैंने तुझे अपने जिगर से लगा के पाला है kind of a space. You've also got extreme beautiful romance. It's like how Indians like it, excess of everything.
My decision actually to do this play changed when I came to see the place. जिस scale पे ये theatre को लेके जा रहे थे, वो पहली बार हो रहा है. It's about this gypsy prince, जो कि gypsy की तरह पला पड़ा है, लेकिन gypsy नहीं है, एक राजकुमार है.
I'm playing the role of a princess, Rajkumari Sonali, and I fall in love with this gypsy called Zangura. And there's this triangle that's going on between Zangura, me, and Lachi.
Lachi is going to be the masala of the show. किसी का भी गला पकड़ लेती है और किसी को भी चाकू दिखाती है और किसी को भी धक्का देती है. And of course, उसकी जान अटकी हुई है जंगूरा में.
तो प्यार करते हैं? अरे तो क्या बात कर रही है लाजी कुछ भी?
My role as a project head has really essentially been to put this whole team in place for the show and ensure that we meet Viraf's vision.
It's tremendously light, it's a little bit Robin Hood. It's taking sort of, gypsy boy turns out to be Prince. I think it's a lot of fun.
It's a joyful ride. It's a show which is filled with a lot of things which makes it interesting to watch.
आप जब Bollywood बोलते हैं तो you are talking about larger than life. It is what I call meta theatre, जिसमें multimedia है, जिसमें visuals हैं. तो उसमें एक एक्टर को अपनी जगह बनाए रखना, वो एक बड़ी चैलेंज है.
One of the most exciting things about Zangura is the music of Zangura. It's actually, the soundtrack is the best of Bollywood in the last 30 years.
This will be lovely for us to rearrange and reinterpret songs that have been mega hits of Indian cinema.
Show also has a theme track, which is the Zangura track. It's a very peppy number, and it's very rustic and gypsy-like as the play is.
It's got Bollywood music. We have to make sure that the background score matches up to those songs, because these songs have been heard over years by people. So we had to make sure that it's not very new, it's not very old. So the music is somewhere going with the scene, but not overpowering the scene.